The first thing you say after a car accident can determine the outcome of your case. One mistake can cost you thousands of dollars. So here's what I say. Say nothing. I am Superwoman Super Lawyer Maryam Parman, and this is Ask Superwoman Super Lawyer, where I answer the most common questions about car accident and personal injury cases.
Lawyer wears a cape. My lawyer wears a cape.
When you get involved in a car accident, insurance companies start protecting themselves first. They're a business. They're there to make money. They're not there to help you. So before you speak to the insurance company, you need to call a lawyer. Why shouldn't you talk to the insurance company alone? Well, insurance companies want to get your statement. Most of the time, they want to record it. So when it's a recorded statement, it is in place. And things change. 5-6 days later, you're in so much pain you can't walk. So the adjuster is gonna ask you, how are you feeling? How's your back? Oh, my back is okay, but it's not. So please do not talk to the insurance companies. They do not have your best interests at mind. They're there at the very, very beginning to gather evidence to use against you. What if the other driver doesn't have insurance? Well, that depends. A lot of times people tell you that they don't have insurance, but they actually do. So you need an attorney to look into that. The next thing is, most of the time, you have the type of coverage to cover your injuries and your accident on your own insurance company, regardless of whether the other driver has insurance or not. So to find out if you can get compensation from an accident when the other driver is uninsured, call Superwoman Super Lawyer. What should someone do immediately after a car accident before calling a lawyer? After a car accident, immediately make sure that everybody's physically okay. Take your cell phone, take photos of your car, make sure you take photos of everyone involved's driver's license and insurances. And most importantly, if you are hurt, seek medical treatment. Once you have all of that documentation, then call a lawyer so that they can help you get the maximum compensation from this accident. How long do you have to file a personal injury claim? Well, it depends from state to state. But in the state of California, it is 2 years from the date of your accident. For a complete breakdown of what to do after a car accident, read our FAQ blog. The link is in the description. If you've been injured because of somebody else's negligence, call Superwoman Super Lawyer for no obligation, no fee consultation.